Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach here, presenting this beautiful 2001 Audi TT, the 225 horsepower version. This car is a one-owner car, clean Carfax, all dealer service. As you can see from the paint and the condition, outstanding. Lake silver metallic, 39,000 original documented miles. As you can see from the seat surfaces and interior. Still looks amazing. This is the higher horsepower version, Quattro. As you can see, there's no dings on the car, no scratches. Door panel, steering wheel, driver's seat, excellent shape. Non-smoker car, no pet or smoke odors, no dog hair in the car. All the headlights, usually cloudy and oxidized. Crystal clear. Start it up real quick for you. Alright, thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for a very clean, well-maintained Audi TT, this is it. We'll open up the top real quick too, give you an operation of that. Give us a call, 858-382-1319. We can ship this car across the entire US, even out of the country. 5-star ratings, Yelp, Google, pretty much everywhere you look. Once again, the number is 858-382-1319. This car would be an excellent candidate for ceramic coating, paint protection film, maybe a little bit of tint. Thank you so much for watching.